guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz and today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the new LimeCrime Pocket Candy eyeshadow palettes. I am so excited to show you guys how I got this look. I think these palettes are absolutely beautiful. They retail for $34 a piece and you can get them at ultaandlimecrime.com. So if you'd like to keep watching and see how I got this beautiful look using the LimeCrime Pocket Candy palettes, please keep watching. So LimeCrime has 3 different palettes: the Bubblegum palette, the Sugar Plum palette, and the Pink Lemonade palette. I inserted several pictures. So starting from the left, from the Sugar Plum palette, the first swatch is Nutcracker, Icing, Fairy Floss, Candied Plum, and Sugar and Spice. The second palette from the left is the Bubblegum palette, which is Pop, Blow, Snap, Chew, and Bubble. And the third swatch pick, which is from the Pink Lemonade palette, starting from the left, is Pink Jelly, Brown Sugar, Lemonade, Strawberry, and Baby Cake. So right now I'm starting off with Chew from the Bubblegum palette, and I'm inserting that right in my crease. And this color didn't give me a lot of payoff, so I went in with Pink Jelly from the Lemonade palette, and this one worked pretty well. I was able to build it up to the color amount that I wanted it. So I did this in my crease for the first eye, and then I also did it to my other eye. The third color I used from the Bubblegum palette is Blow. This is a beautiful color and I really loved the intensity of it. It was just absolutely beautiful. So I did the same thing to the second one, just adding it to my crease. The fourth color I used is that beautiful purple from the Bubblegum palette, and this is Blow. And I put this on the lid. It wasn't very opaque and didn't have a high intensity, so I decided to spritz it with a little Fix Plus, and that really built up the color to this beautiful duochrome pinkish purple. So I just built that up on the other eye until I was happy with the opacity. And then I took Candied Plum and Nutcracker and just combined it together to work it on the outer third of my eye, and then deepened up the crease a little bit. Then I just went over it to make sure that there wasn't a harsh line where the two colors met, so I just kept going back and forth until I was happy with a gradient line. Then I took Icing from the Sugar Plum palette to go over my brow bone, and this color was very subtle, but in person you could see a very beautiful gold iridescence color. Next color I took was Pop from the Bubblegum palette for the inner corner highlight. And then on the lower lash line, I combined Candied Plum and Nutcracker. And I just smoked that out on the lower lash line. Then I applied the Too Faced I Want Candy eyeliner. Then I applied my Marc Jacobs black eyeliner on the waterline, and this is my favorite eyeliner to use. It doesn't budge, it doesn't move. It's one of the best eyeliners that I've ever used, and I highly recommend it. And then for my mascara, I used the Tarte Amazon Clay Gifted Mascara. I then put on my Ardell Enchanted Lashes to complete the look. Overall, I did really like the look that I've created, but I don't think it's necessary for you guys to buy all of the palettes. I think you should buy the one that stands out to you the most, and my favorite was the blue Bubblegum palette. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!